What are you doing?
Riley, it's a bit dark outside, ain't it?
Yeah, it is a bit dark.
It is a bit dark.
You want to go bodies right here?
Let's go bodies, right? Ah, let's go bodies.
Oh my god. No,
Alright, guys. Oh.
Doing it. It's good.
Alright, guys. Welcome to Cooking with Riley with Friends. Or Cooking with Riley for colon with Friends. Today, we're going to be making some very good hot dogs. Okay, so today you're gonna need some hot dogs, buns, and whatever condiments you want. Oh, we shouldn't have opened these.
Spill juice! Alright, so you're
Hey,
gonna
open up the trash can.
Yeah.
So you're gonna need your buns.
Got it.
You're gonna
He
need
didn't make it.
your hot dog buns. This is your normal size hot dog bun right here. And you just put. Yes. It expired 2 days ago.
He's okay.
No, I'm sorry. It expired. What's the day? The 8th?
Yeah.
7 days ago. 4 days ago.
It says
Just keep it.
June 2nd.
It's fine.
You're in character. That's good. So that was on purpose.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here's the real
Riley,
hot
what
dog
are we
buns.
making today, Riley?
I already said we're making hot dogs.
You want the hot dog buns?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Hot dogs and buns. Okay.
Now,
Chance has to go pee.
I don't have to go pee.
Okay.
Yeah, you do.
These are the hot. Can I introduce the hot dogs?
Sure.
Alright, thanks,
It's not like I
Riley.
already did, but that's okay.
So these are the hot dogs right here, as you can see. These are Nathan's famous hot dogs. Oh crap.
Neck down.
Hey! There's some hot dogs right here.
So pretty simple. This one is.
I'm gonna stick these hot dogs down your throat.
Stop. So today we're doing
Doritos.
a recipe for my friend Chance here. Not really. It's just hot dogs.
You're not really. I'm not really. His friend.
Yeah. What? So should we get the heat going?
Yeah, let's get the heat going.
I need my fork. Sorry.
Now, Riley,
guys.
what kind of temperature should we have it at?
I'd
10.
say about
10.
hot, like fire.
10.
Whoa! Let's see that again.
No, they can't.
Let's move.
Oh my!
All right, now it's just gas, and we're all gonna die.
Okay, we can stop.
No.
There
There you
it
go. Look,
is.
fire. See, guys?
Goodness me, that is fire. Put it back. We burn the plastic off.
Now that you got the fire on, I'd say around. What do you say, Riley? You're the cooker.
Jeez, Riley. Almost knock that thing off.
What? Why is it so high?
What? No balls. Hey guys, that's hot.
For this recipe,
Sorry.
shoot. No.
No.
We might want to get some plates.
Plates? Nah. That's for later. Watch out, guys.
What are you doing?
I'll start it out. Watch out. Move
Well, we should get like plates.
Next up, you're gonna need some plates. These are average plates. Hey, Lieutenant Dan. Ice cream.
One? Okay.
Only one.
I didn't want to drop them all.
Guess we could set these right here, right?
Oh, I
Yeah.
kind of dropped mine
You
into
can
the
place them in a
fire.
row.
Oh, my hot dog's gonna go into the fire. That's not good. Come here, wiener.
Just stab it. You have a fork for a reason.
There you
It's
go.
under control.
Boy, it smells good in here. She's
shoving
already
it.
burnt it.
That's how I like it. You got a problem with burnt people?
Now, the way you prepare the hot dog, okay?
This is getting demonetized.
Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and share a burner with Jay here. Jay, show the people what you're doing.
Oh, sorry guys.
Hey, buddy.
Maybe
Excuse
someone
me.
should bring the camera
So-
over here.
The way you cut the hot dogs, you want to get it nice.
Cheers.
You want to get it nice and hot.
Goodness.
You're in the way.
Oh!
On camera.
Now you want to sort
No.
of cut it. That way the fire.
I stick no pride.
Now Jay, I was showing a bonnet. Can you get a white cracker?
Why are you
Oh,
Whoa.
let me burn myself.
What?
See?
You gotta stick it straight into the fire. There we go. Good thinking.
We're now cooking our hot dogs. This is just for color, a bit of color.
You gotta stick your hot dog right into the fire, right?
Bit of color means bit of flavor.
Get inside. What's wrong with you?
It's hot! It's fire!
Let's make a triangle.
There we go. Move
We're
on.
now making a triangle of wieners.
Our wieners are making a triangle.
I'm gonna show the people.
You shouldn't leave that
But
there.
yeah. See our
Triangle of wieners.
Oh, there goes your hot
Oh,
dog.
my hot dog!
Get off my fork.
So as you can see, we got a bit. Why am I talking? As you can see, we have a little bit of color on this.
Oh, my wiener fell onto the stove. Ah! My wiener. Come on, bruh.
Come on, bro. Come on, bud.
Come on, bub. You want to see my hot dog? Look at my dog, guys. Does that look delicious or no? Huh? 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 It looks pretty good.
This has gone terrible. It's going crazy.
It's gone horribly wrong.
I think mine's a bit cooked. I dropped mine into the flames.
But it's under control, guys.
Now I think Riley, what goes with the hot dog? What
Now you can have any kind of condiment. Of course, you want to put on a bun. You can get some. It stops speaking British.
Take your fork. You don't light the fork on fire.
It's gonna melt. It's literally.
Is anyone home?
So yeah. Now if you want to get some ketchup and if you like it, sometimes mayonnaise is good. But yeah, we can throw that. Yeah.
Who puts mayonnaise on a hot dog? Are you like Mexican? Hey,
That smells like girl hot dog.
That smells like hot dog. To
hey,
me.
should I try it, you guys?
Nope. Mine's still cold.
You need to open it up like I did.
Put it in
Now
there
you
like
see.
mean it, alright?
Now you see when I open it up, it went inside it, so it didn't get cold. It's a bit dark outside, ain't it? Oh, my toe, my bloody toe. You hit my bloody toe.
Why did you hit anything? Stop.
Now you're gonna have to maneuver it. You put your hot dog
Sorry.
inside.
Hey guys, my hot dog's done.
That looks like a mighty fine hot dog if I do say so myself.
Thanks,
Yeah,
son.
once you got some marks on there, you're good to go.
I'm grabbing my bun right now.
There we
You
go.
want some of my bun?
I'm good.
I don't think so.
Oh, watch out now. You gotta put it in the back and pull it out.
I put it in and I'll pull it out.
Yeah. Put it in, pull it out.
Pull it in.
It's a bit dark outside.
As
ain't
my
it?
hot dog's done, I don't put any. No, I put ketchup. I put ketchup on my.
As you can see, it's ready to eat now.
Guys,
But if you want,
we're sorry for eating in front of you like this.
The fire's still on.
Right, sorry for eating in front of you.
talk,
If you want ketchup, there's ketchup. You can put the ketchup on it.
we call this Brett Master privilege.
Oh,
I think
you
I
got
got more.
mustard. You gotta shake it up.
Don't squeeze it.
Now you see, that's a good hot dog.
You're supposed to apologize for eating in front.
He's got Brett Master privilege, but it ain't working out.
That's bloody awful.
Look at this dude. Dude, look at my sausage. Homophobe. You know it's Pride Month, right?
Don't make references to homosexuality. Not in my video. I think we need a bigger fall this time. We're gonna make a legit one this time.
Okay.
Oh
That
my!
one-
Yeah.
That was test.
That person.
Apparently this is British themed.
I keep speaking British. We already took your land.
No, I dropped it again.
Sorry about my.
It's okay.
Hey, look at him.
No, everybody make a second one, and we'll make a thumbnail with our hot dogs.
Where's my fork? Hey, that's my fork.
Sorry,
I can't wait for the gas bill to be high.
yours is dripping a bit.
Oh, it is.
Go, my briv.
Bruh.
Now you want to leave it on the fire for about, I'd say 5 to 10 minutes on one side, and you flip it over. Have you ever seen that guy on Animal Planet where it's like,
Oi,
It's a
I got
crocodile.
stung by a stingray.
it's a crocodile. I'm gonna
Crocodile
poke you
guy.
with the stick. We should see Naked and Afraid.
Yes.
You want to try? Ah!
Burn yourself.
I didn't.
Man, you're good at placing cameras, huh?
Can't see the hot dogs.
Sure you can.
Minuscule.
gotta look-
Minuscule.
You gotta look close enough.
Look at this beauty. I'm just waiting to eat it so I can enjoy a hot dog with my pals.
Hey, chat, can you see the hot dogs?
Chat.
Yeah.
Oh, it fell into the flames!
Yeah.
We are all really good pals. Like, this one right here is called Riley. This one right here is
Oh,
called...
you think they don't show that?
Oh yeah.
This one's special.
Yeah, this one killed 7 people. You don't need that hot dog. You always wait.
It fell in the fire. I would just sit here and let my... A problem with the wiener jokes, huh?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Now, I'm part of the dry side. I fully support the temperance movement.
Huh?
Yeah. Yeah, we don't need alcohol.
We don't need alcohol.
We don't need alcohol. We have hot dogs.
The only thing we need is rubbing alcohol.
Exactly.
Have you ever drank rubbing alcohol?
That's the only drink I drink. Drink it.
You ever drank
This video is
alcohol?
sponsored by alcohol.
This video is sponsored by Lysol.
Wow, Riley, that's a good.
Thank you.
Drizzle.
I wanted mayonnaise, but apparently not.
Who puts mayonnaise?
You want
Me.
Why is my why is my tip not cooked yet?
Same.
Oh, excuse me. Remember to say bless you.
You know, this filled me up so much that just smelling it made me belch.
Oh.
I can't wait to eat this hot dog with you guys.
Me either. You want to share it? Wait, you want to share it?
Wow. Yeah.
Yeah, Jake, you get in the middle with your hot dog on a stick. Okay, that should be good. It's saliva.
What?
He went for it a whole.
That was nasty.
Oh, it's dripping. It's dripping. We're gonna start a forest fire. Look. Hey. Oh, that's not the right way. Where's your camera? There, look. How cooked it is. You can do that. But we're gonna start a forest. Get the camera. Get the camera. Get the camera. Look. I gotta show. Freaking sparks coming off. Hey, should I eat it? Hey, you dare me to eat it? It just came off fire. Chat, should I eat it? Oh, right away.
It's not live streamed.
Oh!
Jay,
Your mom.
you
Oh.
said chat.
I know, that's the joke. You just come back from concentrate. Ah!
Remember the Berlin aircraft? When we
What?
I'm not American. Remember the Berlin
Yeah, I can
airdrop?
smell it off of you.
When we sent our troops down to Berlin to save the Europeans from fascism.
Uh-huh.
I mean communism. Remember the milk?
Wait,
Remember the milk supply that we put on them? Okay.
it's an air raid, not airdrop.
No, it's not. It's
Because they raided it with milk.
I was right.
Uh-oh.
Hi, Grandma.
Puppy, you want hot dog?
Turn on the fan.
Oh, okay.
Not that fan. This guy. What are you doing?
I'm cooking it. I'm showing them it's not wrong to be dark, okay? Okay, chat.
You can have that one.
Sparks will fly, but it's alright. Hey, blue kid, get out of the way, Smurf. Did you guys know Smurfs are demonic? Jeez, that's so unsafe. I mean, this is so safe.
Oh my god.
It's starting to smoke. That's a good sign.
I'm really proud of our troops that
Really?
saved the European countries
You want to do
from
this, right?
communism control.
There you go.
Good thing that we can use the power of containment to seize.
Just because I made a
Communism.
reference, look, communism doesn't have anything to do with what we're doing today.
You know,
But it does because
communism is a
actually-
good thing because we
actually,
can all
because
have one hot dog.
there's four pokey things on a fork, which means that
The
there's
4 colonies of the
there's-
United States.
there was 4 planes that went to the Berlin.
Ah, actually tastes good.
You want to share?
Yeah.
My God, and maybe it's kind of leaky.
Alright guys, I just made one more. And my friend here is making one for his mother, grandmother? The mother of his mother as well.
My mother's great grandmother.
Guys, I eat 2 hot dogs, and one of them was with no bun.
Look at that.
Is it okay if I grab mayonnaise?
Hey, how do you flip the
Whoa.
camera? Hey, how do you flip the camera? I'll
We don't
record
need to flip the
I'll
camera.
record
Leave
you
it.
guys. I'll record you guys. I'm done
Okay,
with my
fine.
hot dogs.
Here you go, gross.
Thanks, Brown.
I found mayonnaise. Now guys, if you're not weird like me, you can put mayonnaise.
Grandma, do you want ketchup?
She wants mayonnaise.
I don't like mayonnaise.
With a steak knife.
You only learn from the best on Robotic Boxer's YouTube,
Right.
right?
Oh gosh. My finger.
Get it in the pores. Yeah, you make a pour. Yeah. The sauce.
What are you doing? Making mayonnaise?
Wait, you're not making this.
Why are you using a steak knife?
Don't
So
question
bad.
it. You have
Hey!
no rights. What?
Not you.
Okay. Gourmet.
Oh, make the sound. No! Alright guys, now for the last step.
Not the first time I said
Whoa!
High five. You mixed? Yeah.
Wow, that looks delicious.
Look how good that is.
Now we do.
Sorry.
Now we do hot dog eating competition.
Wait. There's no.
No. Just
There's no competition. Yeah, go. Spit it out. Yummy.
Stop.
So at the end of the day, Riley, we only had one hot dog bun left.
Did you give your grandma a hot dog?
Yeah, I gave my grandma a hot dog.
We have no more hot dogs.
So now we're gonna split it between the three of us.
Yeah.
Yep.
Mine will.
That'll fit. Yeah, there you go. Don't break your glasses. Don't break your glasses.
Okay, we gotta split it. You stupid.
Yeah.
How are we gonna do this?
Do you not know maths? There you go. Good job. Wow. Oh, wait.
Thanks for watching!
Thank you.